Boot Windows from GRUB Rescue. This is my situation. Installed Ubuntu without a CD, using unetbootin. Dual boot installation, Windows XP plus Ubuntu. Didn't like the installation and decided to boot into Windows and delete the Linux partitions. Forgot to fix the MBR from within Windows. Now, when I boot, I am stuck in the GRUB Rescue limbo. Simple question, how can I boot into Windows from GRUB Rescue? I cannot boot from CD, therefore the usual solutions, recovery CD etc., do not work. An older question mentions a possibility to boot Windows but doesn't specify details, Ubuntu GRUB Rescue prompt. Any hints?
As Gilles already pointed out, GRUB Rescue only has a few commands which allow you to load modules, for example from a GRUB Rescue disk. In my case, booting from another source wasn't possible. The only option was to remove the HDD from the computer and use a cheap external HE case to connect the disk to another computer via USB. On that computer, I used mrfix to fix the MBR.
When GRUB is gone, so is the ability to boot into Windows. You would now need to boot from the Windows CD to restore the master boot record, MBR. You can also use other boot CDs such as the Ultimate Boot CD for Windows, BartPay or Hiren's Boot CD in case you don't have Windows installation media handy. Here are the steps. Root from the Windows CD and choose Repair. Alternatively, boot from one of the other aforementioned boot CDs and run a command prompt. For Windows 8 computers. Add more tutorials for operating systems please. Run the following two commands in a command prompt.
I had this issue just today and solved it by burning boot repair disk 64-bit.iso to a USB stick, on a Mac using Bail Nature. Then changed BIOS boot priority to USB stick first and booted it. In the boot menu selected failsafe mode, normal mode wouldn't work, and it then suggested to try default recovery. I tried that, it fixed my MBR, and I was then able to boot to Windows 10 again.
Another tool to add to what Ricky and Priyufsam have to say is boot repair disk.
If more support is found, please consider subscribing.